Are you looking to pair biblical knowledge with hands-on supernatural ministry experience? Then you found your equipping center. At APC Bible College, we build leaders who can teach and demonstrate. Our specially designed curriculum is crafted to immerse you in doctrinal depth while sharpening your practical skills, preparing you to minister in the demonstration of the Spirit and power. Our training is enhanced through powerful insights from renowned guest lectures and dedicated practical skill development sessions, ensuring you are sharp and ready for real-world ministry challenges. Choose to study on campus, join our dynamic online mode, or opt for the flexibility of the instructor-led e-learning mode. We offer 4 comprehensive programs for ministry preparation. Fall 2026 applications are open and waiting for you. Apply online today at apcbiblecollege.org. Our classes begin on 3rd August 2026.